Okay, so twice a year, Shopify drops this massive update they call Editions. And let me tell you, the latest one, the Winter 26 edition, is a real game changer. It is packed with over 100 updates, but the main theme? It's crystal clear. Artificial intelligence is here, and it's going to completely reshape how you run your business. So let's dive in and see what that actually means for you.
I mean, really think about that for a second. As an entrepreneur, you're not just one person, are you? You're the CEO, you're the head of marketing, the lead designer, the data analyst. I mean, the list just goes on and on. It's a ton of work. So what if you had an expert right there with you, 24/7, whose only job was to help you win?
Well, that's pretty much the huge idea behind Shopify's biggest reveal, Sidekick. And listen, this isn't just another feature or some clunky chatbot. No. This is designed to be your new AI partner, an expert that's woven into every single part of your Shopify admin.
So what's the real goal here? It's pretty simple. Sidekick's whole mission is to take on all those tedious, complex, and time-sucking tasks. Analyzing data, automating workflows, generating content, all of it. This frees you up to do what you're actually great at, building your brand and connecting with your customers. Now this is where it gets really, really cool. Look at how practical this is. We're not talking about abstract ideas, we're talking about real business actions. You can literally just ask it, find products I should bundle, and bam, it digs through your sales data to find real opportunities to bump up your average order value. Or how about this one? Build a win-back campaign. Sidekick doesn't just give you advice, it actually goes and creates a targeted customer segment to re-engage those folks. It's turning your questions directly into results.
And it just goes deeper from there. We're talking about Sidekick building custom apps and automations just from you describing what you need. It can take a boring product photo from your phone and turn it into a studio-quality shot. And because it actually remembers your preferences and even works with voice commands on the mobile app, it really does become this personalized assistant that gets your business no matter where you are.
Okay, so Sidekick is your new partner on the inside, but what about the outside world? Well, AI is also completely changing where and how your customers are finding and buying products. Commerce is officially moving way beyond the traditional storefront.
Shopify is introducing this brand new concept called agentic commerce. Now, it might sound a little techy, but the idea is actually super simple and pretty brilliant. Instead of just waiting for customers to find your website, you bring your products directly to them, right inside the AI chat platforms they're already using every day. It's agentic because these AI agents find and suggest your products at the perfect time, opening you up to literally millions of new shoppers.
And the best part? It's not complicated. You basically set up your products just once in this thing called the Shopify Agentic Storefront. Then Shopify just blasts them out, syndicates them to all these big AI platforms. So when a shopper asks for a recommendation, boom, your product can pop up, and they can buy it right there, right in the middle of the chat. It's a whole new sales channel.
Now, all this futuristic AI stuff is amazing, but what about the core of your business, your actual online store? Well, don't worry, Shopify is embedding AI there too, along with some massive foundational upgrades that, frankly, merchants have been asking for a long time.
I mean, this slide just nails it, doesn't it? The old way of making a change to your store, we've all been there. You launch and pray. Now, with a new app called Shopify SimGym, you can actually simulate how shoppers are going to react to changes before you push them live. It uses AI agents trained on billions of real purchases to give you data-driven advice, taking all of that guesswork out of the equation.
2048. So what on earth is that number? Well, for anyone who's ever sold products with a ton of complex options, like size, color, material, you name it, this is huge. That is the new maximum number of variants you can have for a single product. It completely removes a long-standing limitation and just unlocks so many new possibilities for how you can sell.
And of course, the checkout, the most important page on your site, is getting smarter too. You can now deeply customize the checkout for different countries, offer more payment options like Shop Pay installments in the UK, and just make things easier by letting customers sign in with their Google or Facebook accounts. And that personalized Shop Pay button, it's a small touch, but it's all about building trust and making that sale happen faster.
All right, let's shift gears and pull back the curtain a little. Let's talk about the backbone of your business, your operations. This is all the behind-the-scenes stuff that can really make or break you, and Shopify's rolled out some key updates here to make everything smoother and way more powerful.
If you have a brick-and-mortar store, you know this feeling. Wi-Fi can be your absolute worst enemy. The new POS Hub tackles this problem head-on. It gives you the rock-solid reliability of wired connections for your card readers and printers, with all the processing power you need built right in.
It's all about making sure you never, ever miss a sale because of a bad internet connection.
And the list of operational wins just keeps on going. Inventory management is way more flexible now, and your analytics have these cool heat maps so you can easily spot your busiest sales times. But honestly, one of the coolest updates is how AI can now help you fight chargebacks. It automatically generates dispute summaries with all the relevant data, saving you real time and real money every single day.
So, okay, let's step back for a second. When you put all of these pieces together, the AI partner, these new agentic sales channels, the smarter store, the stronger operations, what does it all really mean? Well, it's all pointing to a brand new future for commerce.
You know, this quote from Shopify really just says it all. The goal of all this tech isn't just to pile on more features. It's to fundamentally change the nature of your work. By letting AI act as the great simplifier, handling all that complexity, you are finally free to focus on strategy, on your brand, and on the creative vision for your business.
And that leaves us with this final and, I think, most important question. The question for you. When you're not bogged down by all those tedious tasks anymore, when you have an expert co-pilot helping you navigate, and when you have more time to just think and create, what becomes possible? What will you build next?